imagine living in a time which your nation's flag was under chest in dark corners. Its name was spoken in whispers. It was reality for the Azerbaijani people under watchful eye of the Soviet Union. Yet, in 1959, a poet from Azerbaijan, Bakhtiyar Vahabzadeh, wrote, "Freedom is not gift, it's right," once wrote the spirit of people. In this lines, we'll see how he expressed his ideas. Dilək bir çiçəklə bitirə bilməz, bu gündə sabaha körpü olmasa. Azadlıq ağacı var verə bilməz, şəhidlər qanıyla suvarılmasa. In 1959, during the Khrushchev show, while it seemed it was a slightly softer regime than it was Stalin, even that time a nationalist poem can be reason to go to prison. In order to avoid censors and detain it, Bakhtiyar Vahabzadeh used hidden language. Today, I will share historical context and istiqlal, which means in English independence, and how it reshaped Azerbaijani nation. So Bakhtiyar Vahabzadeh used what we call today Aesopian language. As Aesop's fables, he used metaphors in order to hide political trust. For example, he didn't write about Soviet oppression or Soviet times and borders. Instead, he wrote about chains on the soul, longing of earth for the sun. Interestingly, he published this poem after 40 years of the fall of the Azerbaijani Democratic Republic, and the authorities saw literally act, but Azerbaijani people saw rebellion act and tribute to the loss of their freedom. So Bakhtiyar Vahabzadeh took great risk for his life. Because of his nationalist writings, he was replaced from his job at Azerbaijan State University, and he took under constant surveillance. Bakhtiyar Vahabzadeh always mentioned the importance of the mother tongue. So he wrote, if a mother tongue was forgotten, the nation's heart stopped beating. We always see in his poems and his life, he gave importance to the Azerbaijani language. So when we are reading this poem today, we are not just reading literature. We are hearing echoes of poem from aspiration to the achievement. Bakhtiyar Vahabzadeh proves that empires may fall, but poetic power of the liberty is immortal. Thank you.